this is Garrett Lund with the LundTeam here. Had an exciting opportunity on Roper in Encinitas, close to everything. I want to highlight the location of this. You can literally walk to just about everything. Shops down the street, great park areas nearby, award-winning schools. You're at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac here. You've got a very unbelievable yard lot here. It's been meticulously maintained, completely redone. Inside and out, this property is absolutely turnkey. We're going to show you a little bit of drone footage to kind of give you a perspective from above, but beautiful single level, redone kitchen. Great bed and bath count. There's a small addition off the master. You've got beautiful newer roof, exterior, interior. So we're just excited to have this opportunity to show you. We want to invite you in, encourage you to come see it. 760-438-0800 or visit us at LundTeam.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.